Hello, this is the Beneteau 473 Te Matau for sale by South Coast Yachts, and my name is Paul Briant. This boat is currently listed on our website at scyachts.com. She has quite a bit of cruising gear on board, of course, roller furling jib. She's got an asymmetric spinnaker, so the tack line is set up here. Hatches on all the ports, so all the hatches are in excellent condition, no crazing. And if you look up the mast, she has a whisker pole right here for pulling out the jib, and spreader lights just right underneath the spreaders there, and radar, foredeck light, spinnaker halyard, pole topping lift, all those bits of running gear to create a very versatile rigging arrangement for any condition. She has the granny bars around the mast there, so really nice and secure if you're up working on the mast. And of course, in mast furling mainsail, radar reflectors up there, Dodger, no bimini and no connector, and the Dodger is getting a little old, but probably due for replacement pretty soon, but you can use the canvas of your choice. Of course, 473 has a beautiful big cockpit, twin wheels, lots of space, and very good controls from the helm position here, with all your instruments, your shifter, easy to hand, Genoa winches, Genoa furling line, everything very close and convenient. Te Matau has quite a bit of safety gear on board. She's got the horseshoe, emergency overboard light, and man overboard pole here. She also has a life sling in a locker. She has 3 sets of anchoring gear, all the running gear for the spinnakers, etc. Instrument repeaters on the starboard side. She has a Mercury 4-stroke outboard and an inflatable dinghy that is included with the boat. Cockpit also has this very nicely finished table here, and good cockpit lockers on either side. This is the 2-cabin version, so this cockpit locker is really deep and goes all the way down to the bottom, and is also accessed from the galley on the starboard side. Very good visibility from this helm looking forward over the Dodger. Very clean open decks, wide and beamy, so she'll be very stable at sea. Great cockpit for entertaining, and also very easy to handle in a seaway. Has a electric cabin top winch right here, and of course these lines on the starboard side can be crossed over from this winch to the electric winch to make it easy to handle all the lines. So that's Te Matau on deck, so let's go down below, take a look down below. So down below on Te Matau, we start at the nav station, which is immediately to port of the companionway, and good navigation station here, good size chart table for full-size charts or chart kits. And you have some instrument repeaters here. You've got a Raymarine ST60 multi-instrument that'll show you multiple information sources that are available on the Raymarine network. You also have a Raymarine RL or RC520 chart plotter radar display here. That's a repeater of the one at the helm station. And you have a Xantrex Link 1000 here. That's a battery monitor as well as an inverter control, and it shows you battery voltage, your amp hours consumed, and time to go to 50% discharge. Your VHF radio, stereo, and 12 stack CD player, and then your breaker panel right here. To starboard of the companionway is your L-shaped galley. Very nice deep dual stainless steel sinks. There's also a filtered freshwater source right here. And then your refrigeration, as is typical with Beneteau, nice deep deep freeze, top loading freezer, and front loading refrigerator. Everything is spotlessly clean on here. 3-burner Force 10 stove, plenty of locker space along the outside, microwave, and this is access to the storage locker. Of course, it's full of the usual stuff that you put in these storage lockers. There's an asymmetric spinnaker in a sock, and various tools, life jackets, paddles for the dinghy, all that usual stuff. Very good access right behind the galley here to the engine compartment. The Yanmar diesel. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. Again, to port of the companionway and just forward of the aft stateroom is the Aft Head. This is a 2-cabin, 2-head boat. So you have a pull-out shower right here, and Jabsco manual flush toilet. Very nice and bright, easy to maintain. And the aft cabin, big berth back here, as you can see. Also access to the head from here, so guests can use this head, or it can be used as a day head. Of course, your typical salon seating for the Beneteau 473. Huge full beam in the widest part of the boat. Gives tremendous amount of space. Upholstery is in superb condition. Very nice sort of off-white ultra leather. This nicely finished salon table has a leaf right here that can come out, and then the table can be made smaller into a coffee table size. It also converts by putting the short legs in the bases, and converts to a berth here that 2 people can sleep on. So forward of the salon we have the master stateroom, centerline island berth, so it makes it very easy. You sleep with your head forward, and unlike a regular V berth where you sleep with your head aft, you have to do the flick-flack getting out of bed. This is very easy to get out of bed at night. You've got access on the side there, and you've got the ensuite head and shower here. So this is an electric Jabsco electric flush toilet, and nice sink and vanity, and shower over here on the side. Separate stall shower that has a plexiglass door that separates it from the head compartment. So looking aft towards the companionway, you can see how big and open this space is. So this is the Yanmar diesel. The boat has been very well maintained by experienced owners, done all the regular maintenance on the engine. Engine starts first turn and doesn't smoke, in very good condition. Keeps a pad under the engine so you can see any oil leaks that are immediately evident. and the boat has new AGM batteries as of about a year ago. So you have a engine start here and then two 4D AGMs here. Nice battery bank. So that is the walkthrough video of the 2004 Beneteau 473 Te Matau. My name is Paul Briant, and you can find me on the website at scyachts.com or email me at paul@scyachts.com. Thank you very much for watching.